Hello everybody, my name is Phil and welcome to Miranda Detailing, where we make satisfying detailing videos. So in today's video we got something special. Remember that cart that we bought, the rolling tool cart? Check out the video up there. Well, today we're going to customize the top of it. So it is basically a black high gloss top. The whole thing is high gloss, but when you're putting tools on top and things like that, it may scratch and damage the top surface. Now, sure, you could ceramic coat it or put vinyl wrap on it or something like that. Well, I'm going to do some sort of a vinyl wrap on it, so that's why I bought this. It's basically a vinyl wrap that's kind of like a matte finish, and it's kind of a cool carbon fiber look. So we're going to put that on the top surfaces of the tool cart. So let's show you what we mean. Okay, so as you can see, I'm already starting to use it. It has, a little bit of wear on it already and some scratches, but I'm going to put that carbon fiber wrap on the top of it. Now this has the nice little lip. I kind of wish this did have a lip as well. If you're going to put something on it, maybe it rolls to the edge or something like that and falls off. This doesn't have that problem. So I'm trying to figure out, should I put the vinyl wrap on this or just this? We'll see. I might just put on both if I have enough. So what I'm going to do is just clean the surface off. I'm going to use a little bit of AM Details APC, a great surface cleaner, and it also smells great. If you want to get your hands on some AM Details APC, check out the links below to carguysupplies.com to grab yourself some AM Details products. And I'm also going to use a little bit of wax and grease remover just to remove anything that might be on here, because I want it to stick to the surface. Let that kind of dwell on there for a little bit. Pull any oils or anything that might be on the surface that would mess with adhesion, and it starts to flash away pretty quickly. So let it do its thing and gently wipe it away as it starts to flash, and we have a nice clean surface. So let's take a look at how much we have here. I forget how many inches I actually ordered, but I think it'll be enough. Oh yeah, it'll be plenty to do the top surface of this and then the little bit over here. Yeah, I think that will be plenty. I already kind of rough cut it to go over the edges here because I don't want an edge. So I'm going to try to wrap it over here. Now, I'm not a professional vinyl wrapper. I've never really done this before. So I am basically going off of some of the research that I've seen. So I have just some soapy water. And what I'm going to do is peel this back, wet the surfaces, and then apply it and start squeegeeing from the edges and then middle out to try to get it as even as possible, and then around the edges here to wrap around. So I already kind of have it rough cut, so let's begin peeling this. Gonna keep going here. This is not expensive stuff. This is just cheap stuff I found on Amazon, but if it does the trick, then that would be pretty cool. And if it looks decent and applies well and lasts a long time, some cheap stuff may actually be okay to use every once in a while on vehicles. Maybe on small parts like rear view mirrors and grill parts and things like that. All right, so this paper we don't need. I'm going to wet the edges here where I'm going to grab. And then wet the table down. It is kind of a messy job, unfortunately, but, and make sure to have the clean edge here. All right. Now, I don't have a real squeegee. I just have a little tiny one here. But let's start around the edge here and make sure that this edge is looking good. All right, so the first part of this is done. Just this top here up to the edge. I wrapped around the edges here and kind of went under the lip a little bit. And, you know, this isn't the best stuff, so it's not quite sticking that great, but I don't care. This is just for work. And for now, it's pretty decent. Now, I don't know. I think I'll wrap this. That was my clean edge. Okay, perfect. So I really only have to cut this right here. Oh, and this. All right. Not bad for an amateur. At least there's a nice clean line there. Now there's this little tiny uncoated edge here, which I think I can just use. Yeah. All right, so the top surfaces are done. Not too bad, right? Looks really nice. I mean, the edges aren't perfect or anything like that, and it's going to be for, you know, detailing work, so we'll see how long it lasts, if it starts to adhere, you know, if it actually adheres properly, or if it starts to peel and come off. You know, we'll see. I might redo it. I might just strip it off and get clear film. We'll see. Yeah, the only problem I'm having is the edges here do not want to stay, but it's because these actually touch here. So a little bit of a problem. I'm going to have to adhere this a little bit more. So, but whatever. Overall, it's pretty awesome. So let me know what you think. Do you like the idea? Or not? So that's it, guys. That's the quick little video on wrapping the top of the metal tool cart. And let me know what you think. We'll keep an eye on it. We'll see how long it actually lasts, you know, while we're doing work, and see if it adheres properly, if the sun beats it up and just starts to peel and come off. We'll see. Kind of a learning process, but I wanted something on the top of the toolbox to kind of make it look better instead of all scratched up. If it gets scratched up and damaged, then I'll just peel it and put something else on there. So we'll see. Let me know what you guys think. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, like it, share with others who may enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell. That way you get notifications each time our videos drop each week and you don't miss stuff. And if you're interested in any of the tools or the products that we use, I'll see if I can put a link to the vinyl wrap here down below. And if you have any other suggestions as to affordable wraps that you've used, maybe not for vehicles, but for other stuff that's just, you know, cheaper and more affordable that you can use on your tools, then let me know down below as well. So thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Have a great week.